let's go ahead and create some regions that may help us go a little bit faster. So I want to create some regions just on these flat areas. So let's check the filter. Currently, we'll leave that off for now, and we'll just do a flat area region. Okay, so I got 2 regions there that I can use. And then also we'll do, let's create another set, and then we'll do another flat area region at the top. Okay, so now we got these regions that we can work with. We don't have to go select in geometry. So let's go back up here. Okay, so we got some roughing. Let's change the colors a little bit. I like it so my eyes can see it real good. Okay, so this is the stock color and this is the cut material color. Okay, so let's go ahead and can do some pocketing. Let's do 2-axis pocketing. Probably going to want to use these 2 regions here. Okay, the tool, I think we're going to need a smaller tool. So we're going to do a 1/8 inch tool. Okay, save that as a new tool. Okay, so we're going to use that and cut levels. The geometry now is at the bottom. If you recall, we selected the regions that were at the bottom of the pocket. So we're going to pick at bottom, and we're just going to cut 1 level. So we'll leave everything set to 0. Okay, and pocketing entry and exit.
No, I think it was at top. The geometry was at top. Remember, you picked it at the top.
No, it's at the bottom.
Oh, I'm sorry.
No problem. So that cut levels at bottom. I think let's just generate that. Look at it. So you see we got a pocket there at the bottom. Let's go ahead. Let's double check this. Okay, I want a 0 stock. Tighten that up. Okay.
If you're putting 1 cut level, it doesn't matter if it's at top or at bottom.
Yeah. Now that dialog keeps popping up because I have autosave enabled, so it's wanting to autosave every 5 minutes. Okay, so we got that. Let's go ahead and play that real quick. Okay, so you see that we got some extra stock there. Let's go ahead and do a profiling operation around that.